Starting around 13 July 2023, Cardano essentially is exchanging at 29 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.49%, in every way that really matters, most recent 60 minutes, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. ADA truly has a for the most part complete market cap of $10,093,544,645, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $165,063,163, which in every way that really matters is very huge. This explicitly makes Cardano, ADA, lovely positioning at 7 in the cryptographic money market, or so they in every way that really matters thought. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023, what will Cardano truly be somewhat worth in 2023 in a huge manner? Is Cardano a very wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they really thought. Will ADA cost basically outperform its record-breaking high in an unpretentious manner? These truly are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023 as per the Cardano conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ADA cost fundamentally is supposed to basically cross a kind of normal value level of 35 cents, the normal least value worth of Cardano, toward the finish of the buy and large current year, ought to especially be 34 cents, or so they certainly thought. Besides, ADA can basically arrive at a most extreme value level of 38 cents, or so they by and large thought. Cardano value figure July 2023, in July 2023. The cost of Cardano especially is supposed to sort of be at around a buy and large least of 28 cents. Cardano cost can essentially arrive at a genuinely limit of 31 cents, with the truly normal cost of 30 cents in United States dollars, showing how might ADA cost generally outperform its untouched high, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. ADA value conjecture August 2023. The Cardano figure for August 2023 expects that the ADA may for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense greatest worth of 32 cents with a base cost of around 30 cents, or so they basically thought. Discussing the in every way that really matters, normal value ADA can generally stretch around 31 cents for August, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Cardano value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Cardano especially is supposed to sort of be at around an especially least of 31 cents in a really significant manner. Cardano cost can sort of arrive at an essentially limit of 34 cents, with the very normal cost of 32 cents in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. ADA value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Cardano generally is estimated to really be at around a sort of least worth of 32 cents in a significant manner. The Cardano value worth can basically arrive at a limit of 35 cents, with the typical exchanging worth of 33 cents in United States dollars, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. ADA value estimate November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Cardano really is supposed to sort of arrive at a sort of least value worth of 33 cents. The ADA cost could in a real sense arrive at a sort of greatest cost of 37 cents, with the kind of typical cost around 34 cents, or so they generally thought. Cardano value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Cardano especially is supposed to sort of be at around a very least of 34 cents in a really significant manner. Cardano cost can generally arrive at an essentially limit of 38 cents, with the genuinely normal cost of 35 cents in United States dollars, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Cardano genuinely passed value examination and the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been somewhat diminished by 1.48% in its really current worth, exhibiting that Cardano passed value investigation and the buy in large beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been essentially diminished by 1.48% in its for the most part current worth. Assuming we truly think about the sort of current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap in every practical sense is additionally down, which generally is very huge. Cardano in every practical sense is confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with really other crypto coins, which in a real sense is very huge. The ADA certainly is down to nearly 0.71% in the especially most recent 7 days in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The coin most certainly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for pretty past sort of couple of days. The coin could have sort areas of strength for of at the same time. We don't fundamentally believe that it would a beneficial resource in beautiful present moment, exhibiting that in the event that we truly look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down, which basically is genuinely critical. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA by and large diminished by 35.591%. Disposing of an incredible typical amount of 16 cents from its sort of current worth, or so they truly thought. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a great for the most part purchase and open door for sort of speedy interest in a really significant manner. The 90 days cost change is near 24.01%, and the cost in every practical sense coursed from a base kind of typical cost of 37 cents. To greatest especially normal cost of 39 cents in the by and large beyond 90 days, demonstrating the way that Cardano cost can explicitly arrive at an in every practical sense limit of 34 cents, with the very normal cost of 32 cents in United States dollars in a very huge way. In most recent 4 months, Cardano really has shown a developing pattern in an unobtrusive manner. Subsequently, we explicitly feel that comparable pieces of the market really were very famous at that period. So this unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be a fundamentally decent certainly purchase a potential open door for pretty speedy interest in an unpretentious manner. As per unquestionably the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Cardano generally is expanded from 4 months, sort of additional appearance. How ADA value figure August 2023. The Cardano gauge for August 2023 expects that the ADA may in a real sense arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest worth of 32 cents with an essentially least cost of around 30 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, which in every practical sense is very huge. The coin explicitly is up by 6.73%, with the sort of most extreme by and large normal cost of the coin by and large was around 27 cents, and the sort of least in every practical sense normal cost of fundamentally was around 26 cents in by and large beyond 4 months, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano value conjecture 2023 facts. What will in a real sense be Cardano kind of worth in 2023? Or so they especially thought. The ADA cost basically is determined to by and large arrive at a kind of greatest degree of 38 cents, with especially least cost of 34 cents, toward the finish of 2023. So ADA value conjecture October 2023.